Hello, my name is Jacques, and welcome to French 101. The first thing you must know about French people is some of the phrases they say. The first one is nous. Nous, 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 nous. Now, you are probably baffled and wondering, what the heck is nous? Well, I'm not telling you. I am just going to let you think and die of curiosity. Ha 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 ha, you silly little people. Now, I will tell you, so you don't die of curiosity. It is ne means now. Now is ne. That is right. Ne is now. Now, after that, I will tell you a little more. You are probably thinking, Jacques, if nous is now, wouldn't the word yes mean yes? Well, the answer is yes. Yes, that is right. French is just what you do when you speak English with this beautiful accent. That is right. French is English with a happy accent. Yes. Here is a very good example of somebody speaking French.
Well, can we come up and have a look? Of course not. You are English type, sir. Well, what are you then? I'm French. Why do you think I have this outrageous accent, you silly king? What are you doing in England? Mind your own business.
Now, as we have just learned, French is just English with a happy accent, and that man who was speaking French did not know that. As you could see, he would not allow English people to come into his French castle. But if English is the same as French, English people and French people are the same. Now, you're probably saying, Jacques, that is not true. French people are much different and strange, unlike those English people. And they speak a very different language. I took high school French. Well, the truth is, they are different. I have been messing with your little mind. French people speak a completely different language from English people, and the only words that meet up are ne and no. See, the word yes is not really a French word. The real word for yes is oui. That is right. Yes is oui. And the word eau means water. And lait means milk. I'll sing you a song about lait. It's called Encore du lait, which means no more milk. Sorry, that's what the song's about. But Encore du lait means more milk. We may be a lot of milk, babe, but I still got you.
Oh, Jacques!
And, well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching French 101. My name is Jacques, and I am a very special sock puppet. But I really must get going. Bye-bye.